I love to start my day with granola. That's why I'm always looking for new ways to enjoy my breakfast oats. This recipe was all over Pinterest, so I decided to give it a try. It requires simple ingredients and you don't really need any cooking skills to succeed. Mash your banana with honey and nut butter, mix in oatmeal, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. I made one granola tart for myself and a couple of granola cups for my family members. Simply spread the batter onto prepared tins and let them sit in the freezer for 20 minutes before baking. The most exciting part of this recipe is decorating. Once the tarts are golden brown, take them out of the oven and let them cool on a rack for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your favorite fruits, berries, nuts, and seeds. These granola shells become crunchier after cooling and also more delicate, so be careful when removing them from the tins. Start filling them with some delicious creamy yogurt. Now it's time to get creative. Make your cups pretty and cute with those toppings. I'm using strawberries, blueberries, and kiwis. They are a perfect combination of flavors and colors. I think the brighter your tart is, the more appealing it looks, especially if you're sharing with others. When you're done decorating, drizzle some honey on top to give it a bit more sweetness. I suggest to serve them immediately when the crust is still crispy and the yogurt is fresh. Enjoy!